Finally, it's time to plant these containers. And remember, pillars, fillers, and spillers. So let's get this one planted. We'll put that pillar right in the middle. This is called Osteospermum. It's a tall flower with big yellow blooms on the top. My favorite color. So instead of doing a grass is what I usually do as my pillar, this year I'm just gonna do a tall flower. So that's right in the center of this container. And now it's time to put those fillers around the outside. Nasturtium goes next. I got this from the Farnsville family at the farmer's market at downtown Toledo, so I have to show that off. And of course, I love that foliage, variegated foliage, and these great orange flowers. So that was the beginning of my color palette for this year. Yellow, orange, and a little bit of pink. So now we need to find some petunias from my favorite Home and Garden Center in Blissfield, Creation Station. We have some of these big pink petunias. Wow, they're just gorgeous. I like to plant in odd numbers. So you have 3 on each side. Let's put some petunias in. And in the front, oh yeah, I gotta add some extra texture. Sweet potato vine, Creation Station grew this. It's beautiful, very lush. I'm going to just put one in the front and put another petunia in the back. And these will flower for me all summer long. How beautiful. I'm Kelly Hybrider. Get out there, get growing.